Ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Applying the law laid down by this court in the aforesaid decision to the fact of the case on hand, the appellant cannot be punished for not doing something which was impossible for it to do. There was a legal impediment in the way of the appellant to make any payment during the moratorium, even if the appellant wanted to deposit settlement amount within the stipulated period. It could not do so in view of the bar under the IBC, as during the moratorium no payment could have been made in that view of the matter. The appellant cannot be rendered remediless and should not be made to suffer due to a legal impediment, which was the reason for it, and not doing the act within the prescribed time. Now, so far as the observations made by the High Court to the effect that the High Court cannot, in exercise of powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, extend the period under the scheme 2019. To some extent, the High Court is right. The High Court, while exercising the powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, cannot extend the scheme. However, in the present case, it is not a case of extension of the scheme by the High Court. It is a case of taking remedial measure. It is not a case where the appellant did not make any application within the stipulated time under the scheme. This is not a case where the form number 3 determining the settlement amount was not issued during the validity of the scheme. It is not a case where the appellant deliberately did not deposit the settlement amount and there was any negligence on the part of the appellant in not depositing the settlement amount within the stipulated time. And observed herein above, it is a case where the appellant was unable to make the payment due to the legal impediment, and the bar to make the payment during the period of moratorium in view of the provision of the IBC. In a given case, it may happen that a person who has applied under the scheme and who was supposed to make on or before 30/6/2022 become seriously ill on 29/6/2022, and there was nobody to look after his affair, and thereafter, immediately on getting out of sickness, he tried to deposit the amount and approached the court. Can the court close its eyes and say that though there may be valid reasons and causes for that person's inability to make the payment, still no relief can be granted to him? Stop. अगर आपको ये मैटर का फ़ोटो चाहिए तो नीचे दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए।